A green flag for me would be
know how to use it.
I love a man that can build furniture.
he makes me feel smart. Like that's where you show you like really care about me.
What's up, gentlemen? So they're back. Those super sassy hairstyling sirens from Salon Posta. Today's video is actually inspired by them. They came to me and said, yo, Aaron, you should ask us what's a green flag that guys do that make us realize that he's a keeper or a great dude. And I said, brilliant! And so today, it's happening.
Someone that's a gentleman that pulls your chair out at dinner.
I think my green flag would be if we were like walking on a sidewalk close to the road and he put me on the inside and he was on the outside.
Green flags is the sidewalk rule. When they walk on the side of the street where the cars are at and you're on the other side.
Perfect. You know, you're the second person to say that. Be a gentleman, gentlemen. Unfortunately, our dads have kind of dropped the ball a little bit in terms of teaching us boys how to be men, also how to be chivalrous gentlemen.
A green flag for me would be that he's an animal lover. Loves to cuddle. Loves all animals.
When he's a cat person.
Ooh. Who's the cutest little kitten? You are.
Green flag, if you don't play games. If you're thinking about me, text me. Don't wait a certain amount of time. That's so annoying.
It drives me literally crazy. There's so much bad dating advice out there. All these dudes are like, no, wait 3 days before you send a text. Don't tell her that you like her. Don't like, gentlemen, come on. And what happened is you're sitting there waiting and thinking about her all the time. And your best friend Brad was like, yo, if he's not interested in asking around again, I'm going to go for it. And then what happens? He's a man that takes control and he ends up stealing your girl.
And also, pick up hints. If I drop a hint and you catch on to it, green flag.
I call it your dating Spidey sense, right? You've got to start to learn to read all these little hints that she's dropping, right? As a dude, it's a little bit challenging because as dudes, we're like, yo, just tell us what you want and we will make it happen. But unfortunately, women a lot of times expect you to read their mind or pick up on these little subtle hints. And as a dude, we're not that good at it, but if you learn to develop it and look out for it, it's going to really set you up for success. And so if she's like, oh, I feel fat, that is code for, baby, you look smoking hot in those jeans, even though you have packed on a few LBs.
Good style and easy to talk to. We can keep convo going. Sold.
People that are stylish, guys, head and shoulders have an advantage over all the other people out there that don't pay attention. All the dumbass dudes that are like, it doesn't matter, I can wear whatever I want. You can, but unfortunately, your boy who's dressed well is going to steal your girl.
Don't be a dick.
Perfect.
And I hope you have a dick and know how to use it.
I can't argue with that.
Don't be a fuckboy. Don't fuck around.
Or that.
When a guy smells great, like you took the time, you picked out the cologne, made it a special moment, that top tier green flag.
Yo, I'm just wearing a good fragrance. Game over, right? No, not game over. How do your pits smell? How do your balls smell? Are they stinky? Are they musky? Do you have swamp ass? Oh, geez, I think my balls smell good. Do you think? Take your hand, jam it down your pants, drag it along your balls and your leg and give it a sniff. Is it super fresh? Is it dry? Or was it a little bit moist and damp? If the answer is moist and damp, then they stink. Unfortunately, you're not as sexy as you think you are, but the good news is that I have an incredible offer for you. You are going to love this deal. Right now, for a limited time, you're going to get for $50, which regular price of this is $84, which means it's $34 off. You get to pick whichever Pete and Pedro fragrance you want. Whether or not it's Legend, it's Villain, it's King, it's Hero, it's Rebel. You get to pick whichever fragrance you want. It's your choice. A full-size bottle. Retail value of that is $50, but you're also going to get a deodorant, the fresh deodorant. It's a eucalyptus spearmint. It's natural, which means you're not going to be rubbing toxic chemicals on your pits. This stuff is amazing and it smells incredible. But your balls are going to smell even better because you're going to get a full-size fresh ball powder. This stuff is talc-free. It's not only going to keep your balls smelling amazing, it's going to keep them dry. And a little sprinkle of this up your booty crack to make sure you don't get swamp ass. Right now, for a limited time, if you use the code DATING34, you're going to get the ultimate dating package for $34 off. Regular price of this package, guys, is $84, but if you use the code DATING34, you're getting it for $50. All the information is going to be linked down below. Gentlemen, do not wait. I want you to smell better than all your friends.
If you have a great relationship with your family, green flag.
Boom! Dropping the green flag knowledge on you. Family is incredibly attractive. It's also incredibly important. If you're dating somebody and they have a really toxic or horrible relationship with their family, this is a flag that they never learned the dynamics of a healthy family and healthy family relationship, and it's something to possibly be aware of. Same thing goes for you. If you're somebody that does have a good relationship with his parents, his extended family, his siblings, this shows that you have a better foundation to build a family, which is sexy.
A green flag would be good communication.
Ooh, I like it.
Yeah.
Dating green flag would be if he talks to you and he's interested in you and asks you questions.
Communication is one of the great equalizers in terms of attraction. If you're somebody that has the ability to express themselves or articulate or carry a conversation and keep it going, this is super green flag.
Okay, a green flag is someone who can make me laugh like right off the bat.
So if you're funny, you have a sense of humor, congratulations, game over. You don't even need to be good looking and you're like extra sexy. But if you're not really funny, a little hack is send her a meme, all right? Memes are one of the greatest things out there because they're funny, they're relatable. And so what I recommend is follow some of the Instagram meme accounts. Like my favorite is Shithead Steve, right? You follow him. When you see something funny, send it to her. She sees it, she thinks it's funny, she laughs, she associates the funny laugh with you. Even though you're not funny, you just made her think that you were.
Ambition is the most attractive trait a man can have.
Woo!
And then a man who knows how to fix things or wants to like help you fix things. Like knows how to work on a car, like electric, mechanic, anything, welder. I love a man that can build furniture.
Basic. You gotta be able to do basic manly things like hanging a picture, changing a tire on a car, right? You gotta be able to do these basic things because if not, it's gonna make you seem less of a man.
Biggest green flag would be like planning stuff in advance. Don't hit me up the same day. Let's plan something. I feel like that's where you show you like really care about me. So
Love it. One of the quickest things you can do in order to show somebody that you're interested and that you're actually like a guy that she wants to date long term is be a planner, right? Don't just show up and be like, I don't know, what do you want to do or where do you want to go? If you take time to think and actually do something sweet or make a plan, this is incredibly attractive.
Confidence is key, baby.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Confidence. Own it. Get comfortable. You're confident. You're sexy. It's green in terms of the flag.